Hello and Namaste. This is Angelic light language for the winter solstice, for relaxation and resting, for allowing your highest timeline, for allowing peace and love and joy to enter your life.
Ulame, ulame, singing nai ulame, ashikinde lokaye, eloku, sinewa, inka wingaye, inkingwale, inkwadu, eloshine kamaye, inkwade, Inquade la muya, Jingwing ding walking qua kelo kikia we, inquadu maye, elufu fishing ku, balun kinkilu made. Zingwing ling wa kue, ingwa lumpaye, ingwa dei, aye, ikwa dei, uwa, iniwa, ingwa shing, ingwa le, upla dei, mu, yeah.
Thank you. Namaste.